Yo, let's get it. Culture gang, culture gang, culture gang. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell if y'all rocking with your boy. Let's go, y'all. Smash that like button for me. We got another update for the people. Today we're gonna be talking about that young Dolph murder case. Recently, one of the suspects pled guilty to an accessory charge, y'all. You know what that mean? If one guilty, all guilty. They say the boy straight drop running his mouth too. They say Govon running his mouth too. That's a lot of cash Desto pops. Her murder was tied to this situation as well. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Is the young Dolph case solved? Does this guilty plea solve the young Dolph case? Holla at your boy. Let's go.
Hearing. And at that sentencing hearing, Mr. Johnson, you'll be sentenced somewhere between 6 and 12 years in prison. Now, is that the agreement you have to state in Tennessee, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson, you've been sworn to tell the truth. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Everything that you say under oath has to be true. If you do not tell the truth, the state could indict you for perjury. That carries up to 12 years in prison. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Before I continue with this guilty plea colloquy, Mr. Johnson, Mr. Hagerman has asked the court's permission to ask you some questions. You waive your right to remain silent when you enter this guilty plea. So listen to the questions that Mr. Hagerman asked of you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you answer those questions truthfully. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
If Mr. Hagerman of his mind said, Judge Coffey, we don't believe Mr. Jamarcus Johnson has been truthful, they're going to ask the court to vacate this guilty plea, will strike this guilty plea, and your case will go back to the same status as was before this information was found. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Any questions, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hagerman, you may proceed, sir.
Mr. Johnson, we have talked before, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And when we talked, you told me about meeting with your half-brother, Justin. He's your half-brother, is that right?
Yes, sir.
You told me about meeting with your half-brother, Justin, about a week or so after the murder of Adolph Ford Jr., is that right?
Yes, sir.
You told me at that time that he gave you a car, is that right?
Yes, sir.
You told me at that time he also gave you his cellular telephone, is that correct?
Correct.
You told me that, or did you tell me that afterwards you used that cellular telephone at his request?
Yes, sir.
Did you describe to me a scenario in which you would place one phone up to another while Justin was on another phone for the benefit of his parole or probation officer?
He was called to get somebody's number, and I would put my phone down on the bed, and I would put somebody else's phone right there and let them talk to each other.
And you told me about the times that you did that, is that correct? And you also described times not just with the probation or parole officer, but also with an individual known to you as C.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you now know that individual to be Cornelius Smith, is that
Yes,
right? And you described to me, and you turned this phone over, and in it were text messages with this individual C, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And some of these text messages, some of what you witnessed, was conversation with regard to money that Justin would be getting to C, is that correct?
He asked for money, yes, sir.
Asked for money,
Yes, sir.
is that correct?
Yeah. He was asking for money with somebody else, from somebody else.
Okay, and that somebody else was referred to as Unc, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this would be money that C asked for from Justin that Justin was going to get from Unc.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct? You described all that to me.
Yes, sir.
You've also looked at some photographs that included one of your half-brother in a particular outfit, and you identified Justin Johnson, your half-brother, in the photograph.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that one day you may be called to testify in a trial on this matter?
Yes, sir.
Will you tell the truth at that time?
Yes, sir.
Have you told the truth with me?
Yes, sir.
No further questions, Judge.
Mr. Hagerman.